Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and welcome to my YouTube channel AIBI. So today in this session we are going to learn about introduction to machine learning. So let's get started. So machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focuses on the use of data and the algorithms to imitate the way that human learns and gradually improving its accuracy by experiences. So artificial intelligence is basically a branch of computer science that emphasizes the development of intelligent machines thinking and working like a human. For example, speech recognition, problem solving, learning and planning. Machine learning algorithms basically detect the pattern and learn how to make the predictions and recommendation by processing data and experiences rather than by receiving explicit programming instruction. In overall machine learning process, we are not going to give any programming instruction to machine, but the machine get learned by itself by detecting the patterns and analyzing the data. Some of the real-time example of machine learning are email spam detection, recommendation systems, and many others. And in the most recent advances in artificial intelligence have been achieved by applying machine learning to a very large data set. The algorithms also adapts in response to new data and experiences to improve the efficiency over the time. So let's first see this Venn diagram. So here we can see that this is the whole area of artificial intelligence, and we can see that machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence. Deep learning is a part of machine learning which belongs to this side. Also, the data science covers the all part of artificial intelligence, machine learning as well as deep learning. It overlaps. Now, here we will see that how machine learning exactly works. What is the pipeline of machine learning? So here we can see that these are the steps that how the overall machine learning framework works. The number one is gather data from different sources. The first step is that we are gathering the data from multiple sources. It may be heterogeneous or homogeneous. After that, we are going to filter the data and clean the data, like data pre-processing. Then we will go ahead by choosing the algorithm based on our objective or the business requirement. In the fourth, we are going to train and test the model. After that, we are going to tune the parameters of the best performing model. Then we are going to test and improve the efficiency of model. And in the final steps, we are going to deploy the final model with the best accuracy for real-time use. So this is about the machine learning framework. Now, types of machine learning. So in this session, we are going to understand there are three types of machine learning, like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So we will see each of the machine learning one by one. The first is supervised learning. Now, in order to understand the supervised learning, let us see this snapshot of data. So in this data here we can see that there is a one column which is called as status, and status is nothing but it is an output column which is basically known as labels. Means based on the value of this input variables or attribute, we are going to decide the value of this label, that is status, whether the loan will get approved or not. So by looking into this data set, we can say that the supervised learning is basically used to train the machine using label data. Label data means the output. Okay, so in this snapshot, we can see that the status is the label here. And in this overall process, there is an input variable or maybe a set of variables. Means these are the input set of variables and an output variable y. So this status is the output variable y. And basically it follows the function y is equal to f of x. Means y is the output variable and x is the input variable, and y is the function of input variable. Means y is the dependent variable and x is independent variable. So here the function is approximated to predict the new values of y given the value of x. When we will give the new value of x, it will predict the new value of y. The supervised learning basically deals with two types of problems, that is classification problems and regression problems. So what is classification and regression? In regression, we are getting the output variable as a real number like amount, height, weight. And in classification, we are categorizing the output like yes, no, true, false, 1, 2, or whether the loan will get approved or not. It can have two cases. The loan will get approved or it will get rejected. So we are classifying based on the certain condition. But if we will see this diagram, so here we can see that in regression, we will get a numerical value, that is a real value, like what will be the temperature tomorrow. So we can predict the tomorrow temperature based on the regression model. And here is the classification. So classification means that we are categorizing the data. So here we can see that what will be the temperature tomorrow. It may be a hot or cold. So these all data belongs to cold category and this all data belongs to hot category. So this is about the classification and regression. Now coming to unsupervised learning. So in unsupervised learning, we basically provide unlabeled data, or unsupervised learning is a type of self-organized learning. Here we are not giving any labeled data. Now in unsupervised learning, the main aim is to explore the underlying patterns and to predict the outputs. Here we basically provide the machine with data and ask to look for the hidden features and cluster the data in a way that makes sense. For example, k-means clustering and principal component analysis. There are various unsupervised learning algorithms which will basically understand the pattern of the data and forms a cluster which is having similar characteristics. Okay. If you will understand this diagram, here we can see that there are 4 clusters. One cluster belongs to red, green, yellow and blue. So this is basically about the unsupervised learning. Now coming to reinforcement learning. So reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning in which there is an agent that explores an environment to learn how to perform the desired task by taking action with good outcomes and avoiding action with bad outcomes. A RL model will learn from its experiences and over time will able to identify which action leads to a faster rewards. So if we can see here, this is an agent which usually takes the action in the environment and the environment basically gives the reward. It may be a positive reward or negative reward, and based on that the agent changes its state. So basically agent improves its accuracy, okay, over the time or experiences by getting the positive outcomes from the environment. So this is all about the types of machine learning and the definition of machine learning. So in our channel AIBI, we usually provides the content based on artificial intelligence, business intelligence, cloud computing, as well as the interview preparation. So kindly subscribe to our channel AIBI and follow us on Instagram like AIBI2688. So thank you for watching this lecture. Please do share this video, like and comments, and also let me know if you have any doubt. Please put it into the comment section. Thank you.